Have you ever eaten something that feels indulgent, but your body actually thanks you for it? What if tacos, real, juicy, satisfying tacos, could be part of a healthy lifestyle? Hi, I'm Lucy, and welcome to Lucy's Healthy Kitchen, where real food meets balance, flavor, and simplicity. Today I'm making healthy chicken tacos with a creamy yogurt sauce. Fresh, light, high in protein, and honestly, hard to stop eating. If you love healthy food that doesn't taste healthy, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new recipe. These tacos are everything I love in one dish. Warm spices, juicy chicken, crunchy vegetables, and a sauce that brings everything together. They're perfect for lunch, dinner, or a relaxed weekend meal, and we're making them step by step. Here's what you'll need. For the chicken, 500 grams, or 17.6 ounces, of chicken breast. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, about 15 milliliters. 1 teaspoon paprika. Half a teaspoon ground cumin. Half a teaspoon garlic powder. Salt and black pepper to taste. For the yogurt sauce, 150 grams, 5.3 ounces of plain Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. 1 small garlic clove, finely minced. Salt to taste. Fresh cilantro, chopped. For assembling, whole wheat or corn tortillas, fresh lettuce, cherry tomatoes, red onion. Start by slicing the chicken breast into thin strips. This helps it cook evenly and stay juicy. Place the chicken into a bowl, add olive oil, paprika, cumin, garlic powder, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything well, making sure every piece is coated with those warm spices. Heat a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add the chicken and cook for 6 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it's golden on the outside and fully cooked inside. The aroma at this point: smoky, warm, slightly spicy. This is where the tacos start to come alive. Now for the sauce. In a small bowl, add the Greek yogurt, fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, and a pinch of salt. Stir until smooth, then add finely chopped cilantro. This sauce is creamy and refreshing, with a gentle tang that balances the spices perfectly. And it's much lighter than traditional taco sauces. Warm your tortillas slightly, just enough to make them soft and flexible. Start with a layer of fresh lettuce. Add the warm chicken, scatter tomatoes and red onion, and finish with a generous spoon of yogurt sauce. You can add avocado, chili flakes, or extra herbs. Make it yours. 1 serving of these tacos is approximately 350 to 400 calories, with high-quality protein from the chicken, healthy fats from olive oil and yogurt, and complex carbohydrates from the tortillas. They're rich in protein, calcium, vitamin B, and antioxidants from fresh vegetables and herbs. This meal supports muscle recovery, keeps you full longer, and helps maintain steady energy throughout the day. These healthy chicken tacos prove that eating well doesn't mean giving up flavor or comfort. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe to Lucy's Healthy Kitchen, hit the bell, and join me for more simple, nourishing meals. Thank you for cooking with me, and I'll see you in the next recipe.